gonna eat the tuna first. Try it.
The Mala Delight is vegetarian.
It has avocado, cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, cabbage, alfalfa sprouts, lettuce, mayonnaise, and this grainy multigrain bread. Cheese. The tuna has pretty much everything that I just said, just also with tuna instead of avocado. Wow, almost.
Try the dressed salad.
The dressing is pretty good. I don't know what it is. Nothing too heavy, nothing too flavorful. It's good though. It's not vinegary, it's creamy. That was so good. You guys gotta go check out this place, Mala Market, over here, right by Costco. It's in the back of Costco, yeah? Kind of Costco's City Mill-ish area. Let me get the stage over here. So the sandwich that Cheryl had was the Mala Delight, and I had a tuna salad sandwich. Both of them with salads, and the prices are so good. Good prices, good location, nice people, worth trying. You guys gotta check this place out. And it's right behind the Costco tires sale area.